Alright, so since I got this car, these panels have been falling off the doors. As you can see, I've got them taped up. Looks very tacky. What I didn't understand is why they kept falling off. I kept putting it on, they keep falling off. And then I realized these things here were broken. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I actually ordered some new ones. I'll try to leave a link in the description. But basically, these are the old ones. You see that's literal trash right there. And a new one looks like that. So it has like two metal clips inside. I guess they catch the screw, and then these two little ridges in the back. So basically all you do to get the old one out, I used the long nose plier and I just pulled them out of the door. And then these, you just pop them in. I guess it's really not that hard. Just use two thumbs, pop them in, and you're good. And then we're gonna try to put this back on. So I've got tape all over these doors now. So now I gotta figure out a way to get all this tape removed. But I'm gonna put this back on. Let's hope now this works. Looks like it should be all right. We're gonna put that in first. Actually, I'm not sure. Hold on. All right, so what I did is I put this side in first, and then as I saw the screws were in, I gave it just a slight little tap, and a little tap. And as you can see, they are all the way on. So we're good. Brand new. I also ordered new handles, just waiting on those to get in so I can replace these crappy handles. And yeah, I'm planning to paint these doors, but for now, just trying to get them right so they don't keep falling apart. Now, time to change the other side. If you have any questions, leave a comment in below. But I mean, it's a pretty simple job. It takes a couple seconds just to fix. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.